Today I'm going to demo whole SDLC lifecycle implementation using artificial intelligence. For that I have used MCP. An MCP or Model Context Protocol is an architecture that facilitates communication between AI models and external tools, services, or data sources. Essentially, it acts as a bridge allowing AI models to interact with the real world and access information beyond their training data. The architecture of MCP includes MCP server, a specific implementation of the MCP protocol acting as a server that exposes functionalities and data to connected clients. Then we have MCP client, a component within an application like a chat application or a code editor that utilizes the MCP protocol to interact with an MCP server. Then we have hosts, applications that utilize MCP clients to connect to and consume data from MCP servers. So for this, I have created a small application which is totally developed in Copilot. So it is a social media app. Let me log in through it. So as we can see, there are feed posts that are posted by different users. We can also create posts through this button. And this is the user story that I have created, in which I have provided three tasks. One is a comment box, like button, and UI color should be background color should be something like blue. Background should be there. So this is what I have asked in this Jira user story. So our application will read this Jira story and will do perform all the SDLC steps. So let me give it the prompt. This is the user story Scrum 10, and let's wait for a bit while it start working for this issue. So this whole step is being done automatically without less human intervention. First, it's reading the Jira story. So it is fetching the Jira issue first. It has got the details like what tasks need to be performed. Now it is doing the reading the change it for code changes. It is reading the files. So these are the tasks that it has to perform. These are the Scrum 10 requirements that it needs to implement. Now it will add comment and like functionality in one of the file. It is creating comment component for comment functionality. Now it is creating a like button component. It is changing the feed page for like functionality, comment, and background color. Now it is updating app.js. Actually, I have very little knowledge of React, but still, I was able to develop this whole application in React. It is updating the login component for blue theme. Now it is updating the register component. button styling to support blue theme. Now it is creating unit test cases. For comment component, it has created the unit test case. Now for like button component, it is creating the test cases. For feed page, it has created a separate test case. Now it is running the test cases. It is making some fixes. checking each file for any error. So it has not found any error. Now it is changing the Jira status to in progress. So the Jira status has been moved to in progress. Now it is committing the changes into the Git, actually creating a feature branch, and then it will create a pull request. It is creating a feature branch and pushing the changes. Actually, there are secrets in the repository, so it is getting it difficult to uh, pushing the Git changes. Now it has completed all the steps, and it is giving a summary of all the steps it has performed. So this is the whole flow of SDLC that it has performed. We can see that it has provided blue theme. Now let's check like and comment functionality. So we can see comment and like functionality button is also there along with blue theme. So these whole SDLC steps has been covered in 20 minutes.